Okay, and we're back. Hi, this is Lego Tony B with a update to the video I started earlier. This is from Lego Racers 8898. I bought this set off of eBay for $15, and it has a couple pieces missing. Most notably, it's missing one of the minifigs that sits there, and a couple minor trim pieces. But otherwise, for $15, I was pretty happy. You know, these sets look pretty cool. They had both minifigs, and of course, I did modify a little bit because these are not exact car replicas of certain things. So, but anyways, this is the sort of thing that, you know, for $15, I would gladly buy it again, just to do my own creations of. And being Lego, everything fits really nice and well. So I was pretty happy with this. Anyways, you know, it's always, you never know what you're going to get when you buy something used off of eBay. But I was fine with it, and I thought it was a good deal for $15. You know, wouldn't mind having another set like this, or any other vehicles that I could just add to my pieces collection and make my own creation sometime. Anyways, there's Earth from space, and I will see y'all another time. Thank you. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and comment.